What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in life. We are here. It is a brand new week. It's a new trading week. It is Monday today. We ready to take trades today. We ready to try to take a dub today. I am gonna trade the other funded account, the other 150k account, so I can build both at a steady pace. You know what I'm saying? So the plan is right here. So look, we'll see the plan. I wrote it down. Let me just flip the camera for you guys. 150k challenge, 1 to 2 trades a day. Okay, so if I take 1 trade a day, I have to risk, no, I'm lying. 1 to 2 trades a day, 50 to 100 ticks a day. And then don't be a robot and risk $1,000 a day. So when I say risk $1,000 a day, I want to pass this challenge as fast as possible. So if I'm risking $1,000 a day, I want to make $2,000 a day. Okay, and that will be in 5 days. I will be funded. If we use less contracts, then we'll split it up into 2 trades, which is 500, risking 500 both trades. So that'll be 1,000 for the day. We can split it up into 4 trades, 250 risk every single trade. So it's just a whole bunch of ways we could do this account, but I want to do it the fastest way possible. Yes, I know I told you guys do not rush the process, but I know what I'm doing and I know that my process works. So with that being said, let's just get right into trading. All right, so it's 9:20. As you guys can see, we are on the other funded account. Oh wait, you guys can see, but we are on the other 150k account. Right now I am pretty bearish right now because price action is bearish, and I'm looking at this this 1 hour fair value gap to get respected at market open. So we're gonna see some pushes up to here, and then we're gonna take sells probably to this, down to this low. We just gotta be patient. We're gonna see what happens. Trade idea right now, we off this fair value gap. Let's retrace back into this fair value gap. We broke the previous day low, and now we're heading up. We had this fair value gap for continuation confluence. I want to pull back here though. I want a little pullback into back here so I can get going for buys. I really wanted to go short, but remember, you have to trade what you see. I see that the market broke structure, so now we're breaking structure up to the upside. I seen the market take previous day lows out. Boom. Now I've seen the market create these fair value gaps, and then we have this continuation confluence, right? So I want to see a pullback. Like I said, I want to see a pullback. You guys can see price ripped up after that fair value gap. So now we can trade into this imbalance and continuation and take out this liquidity. That would be a perfect entry for me, a perfect 1 to 2 risk to reward. Yeah. So we're just gonna be patient. Wait, we're almost there, and if we get into a trade, I'll let you guys know. All right, so as you guys can see, limit order rejected. Everything got rejected. We did move back into this imbalance, and we are moving now. It's really pissing me off that they rejected my order. I don't know why. So now it's telling me trading is temporary halted, bro. Why? I don't get why. It makes no sense. I would have took the trade today, but y'all see the bullshit. Y'all see the bullshit behind the scenes. Honestly, guys, I am really pissed right now. Trade for the day. I'm so pissed. You don't understand. This would have been the trade for the day. 50 points. 1 to 2, which is right here. This would have been the trade for the day. Beautiful entry, beautiful trade. And yeah, now we got filled. We didn't get filled. It rejected every single time. We'll see. I'm gonna contact Apex and we'll see what happens. So I did a little bit of research. Apparently it says trader rate, peak balance, trading halted, bro. The market for trader rate accounts will be tailored and halted until further notice. We'll work on close. Like, man, what the heck? I'm not even mad, you know. All right, so you guys can see this candle skyrocketed, and we would have been in profit, and we would have been done for the day, but we can't complain. You know, maybe I don't know, it is what it is. I will give you guys a trade breakdown towards the end of this video, because you know, this strategy that I'm using is looking like it's a good one for me. You know, it fits me. It's actually working. It's only been like a week that it's been working for me, but that's not enough data to give me like, oh, this is a profitable strategy. So I will give you guys a trade breakdown towards the end of this video, but let's just get our day started. We gotta head to the gym. We gotta clean the cars. We're gonna see what we do after that. We are gonna head to the gym. We are gonna stay productive, and yeah, Put it to the car wash. It's not really a car wash, but it is free vacuum. My vacuum, unfortunately, it broke, so I can't even do that shit at home. So now, yeah, I'm gonna get started to vacuum, but it's a little loud out here. I don't know how it sounds right now. But yeah, now, about to get to vacuuming. Let's go. Came back from vacuuming the car, but now I just gotta put this. Well, I already attached it. I already attached this seat belt. It was unattached. I attached it to the seat, and now I just gotta tighten the bolts under. You see the car is nice and vacuumed. This fucking mat is fucked up. Everything's vacuumed. Everything's cleaned up nice. So now we just gotta tighten these bolts, and we should be good. Again, I'm really upset that I did not get an entry. Just gotta wait till Apex fixes whatever problem they got, and then after we can get back on the charts. Hopefully by tomorrow it can be fixed so we can get back on the charts. I'm really it's really unfortunate. Would have had a winning trade, would have had 2 accounts up, but it's all right. It is what it is. We just gotta continue our day. But now I'm gonna start editing this video, and then I'm gonna get on the charts. All right, so we finished editing the video. Now we're gonna make our ground beef. We got a little bit of rice. The rice is not for me. I only eat ground beef and some hold avocado. Yeah, we got the ground beef here. We gotta make it, we gotta cook it or whatever. We seasoned it, whatever, with salt, pepper, sazon, and what's it called? Garlic powder, my bad. So now my hair is crazy. I do need a haircut, so bear with me. But yeah, now we're gonna after we eat this meal, we're gonna get on the charts. I'm gonna see how the trade would have played out or whatever. Well, we already know how it played out, but we're gonna see how, you know, what it did after. I'm gonna pick it up when we're back on the charts. All right, let's get ready for the trade recap. I'm gonna show you guys the bias and why I took this trade. So obviously at 3 a.m. we see 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. we see previous day low get taken out, and we see a break of structure in the 1 hour. The 1 hour structure get broken, right? So now I'm bullish. Now I'm looking for buys. We have this fair value gap here that was formed previously. At this point in time, market hasn't opened yet, so it hasn't came back to this fair value gap. But obviously, price opens, we come down, we hit this fair value gap, and we keep like going in and out, like up and down, up and down, up and down. So at that point, I'm letting market cool down for a little bit. So eventually, we push up until around this area. I'll say this area, around this area, around the middle of it. So we push up into that area, and this huge imbalance gets created. Okay, so that huge imbalance gets created, and I'm like, okay, if we can push back into this imbalance, right, we can get a buy after that. So obviously 50 ticks, let me see, 50 ticks. Okay, yeah, so if price can push back down in here, we get filled, and obviously you ride to this liquidity. If liquidity got taken out before coming back down, I obviously wouldn't have took a trade. But I didn't even take the trade because Apex, they don't want to fill me in. So it is what it is. But the reason why I took this trade is because of the imbalance, okay? Not a fair value gap. It's 2 different things. A fair value gap is this when it's created, right? That's a fair value gap. A imbalance is when price, it's basically imbalanced price. So price is just skyrocketing up, and it needs to retrace, right? So it needs to retrace to something. So I said, we're gonna retrace to this imbalance right here. It ended up doing it. We came up, and we would have hit a 1 to 2.2, 1 to 2.2, something like that. Basically a 1 to 2. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna just head to the gym, and I'm gonna see you guys there.
Back with John Trades to me. Make sure y'all sub up, like, comment. and tune into the next post for me.
All right, so we back from the gym. I'm so sorry for my hair. My hair is crazy. I am gonna get a haircut this week. I have to get a haircut. Anyway, the last clip you guys saw, that was my little brother's friend. They wanted to be in the outro, whatever. You know, let them have fun or whatever. But yeah, like he said, like, subscribe, and tune into the next post. This is gonna be the end of the video. Tomorrow I am gonna be vlogging again. So hopefully tomorrow we don't get messed up by Apex and we don't get messed up by Trade of 8. But we're gonna see, time will tell. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.